Westfield, Massachusetts. This is the Korean War Veterans Lane, restored in the fall of 2003. Corsair, of course, will hyper to base the smallest fighter fuselage into what it's like to be a fighter pilot. Fighters. While all the great Texas military planes perform cruise service, it is the fighters that best demonstrate mastery in the skies, operating at the very limits of the airframe, the engine, and the pilot. They are the elite. They are the thoroughbreds of airplanes. To them falls the dangerous and demanding task of finding the enemy wherever he might be, and destroying him and his equipment is so fast and powerful that you instinctively know that if death comes, it'll be full of hot fire. Frail human that you are, you will be shredded to bits. And worst of all, you'll be alone in a fierce place where your comrades cannot hold you while you die. Or hear the words of retired General Robin Old, a fighter in both World War II and Vietnam. Excellent Turner Broadcasting Series, Reaching for the Sky. A fighter pilot is an attitude. A fighter pilot is a man in love with flying. A fighter pilot sees not a crowd, but people. And here comes Dan McHugh from the left again, another great pass. Nicknamed the Whistling Jet by the Japanese because of the sound of the air flowing through the wing-mounted oil coolers. Did you know that Corsairs down 2,140 enemy planes and only lost 189 of their own? That, dear hearts, is a kill ratio of 11 to 1. One was made at the plant in Dallas in 52. Goodyear was working on the F2G model, which is powered by the 28-cylinder R4360 engine, 3,600 horsepower, but that project got canceled in 45. So the Corsairs, for the most part, that you see around there like this one here, powered by the Pratt & Whitney R2800. That stands for Radio 2800 cubic inches. It is 2 rows of 9 cylinders arranged in a circle, so 18 cylinders in all, plus 36 spark plugs, by the way. It weighs about a ton, cranks out about 2,000 horsepower. In an airplane that at maximum weight in combat usually ran around 13,120 pounds, although in Korea some of them took off weighing over 19,000 pounds, carrying 5,000 pounds of ordnance and fuel. Armed with 650 caliber machine guns and 420 millimeter cannon on some of them, plus all that stuff you carry under the wing. There are less, that is, with 3 dozen Corsairs still flyable. Another 19 are undergoing restoration right now. Then we add another 23 that are in non-flying displays, and 16 that are listed as in storage. You'll notice under the right wing, of course, there does have a radar installation there. Again, this is a group from right to the left. The F4U Corsair. get back to the parking spot. We're going to launch the Geico Skypackers here. I understand they're going to go out, I don't know, north of the airport somewhere and try to do some of their skypacking. You'll see what that is if and when it happens. And later on, they will be back to fly a demonstration with these 6 World War II trainer planes. They're using about half of it, maybe, if that.